Blessings Jamaica. I have something for show you here. Look on it. Look.
Yeah, man. My own man. Point camera for me. Look. Yeah, we're not taking no injustice over here.
Something I go on, I'm going to update you upon it right now, yeah? I'm not going to hear a whole heap more after this. See? So, me know the community a quick step right now. Send out the live, yeah, man. Send it out to everybody right now, because this is how we want a serious live. See, no joke. No joke. Send this out and send it to everybody, right? Since it reached the point here, it reached the point here. See, police and soldier all around me, in the community, a quick step with that, right? Quick step with that. Again, problem over here, so we come over here to de-escalate a situation, and them now tell me, say, me have to go come down a station with them. So we're not going to hear about it today, because we there so, and the people them there so, we come to de-escalate, see them, more police come, everybody else come now, so we're going to find out what's going on.
Fresh drop.
But we need to update you upon the long-standing issue that's been going on over here in Quickstep. Quickstep is a deep part of cockpit country to which there is a so-called forestry reserve. What has been going on with this forestry reserve situation is that it has been demarcated forestry reserve. However, people have been over the years deliberately lumbering from that area and taking the lumber out under the guise of forestry. You know what is forestry doing with how much feet, thousands of feet of mahogany wood, right? The mahogany, right? One of the rarest species in the forest. Mahogany. What is the forestry department doing with mahogany? See, this is Superintendent Minto from Black River. We've had a very good relationship to the beginning of his term, right? Superintendent Minto has expressed he has zero regard for neither the history, the law, nor the forest, because they're prepared to facilitate the pilferage of mahogany from cockpit country and telling the world that the Maroons are lumbering. These are the people who are lumbering, and these are the coverts and agents who facilitate the lumbering of cockpit country. So when they can't take enough, and when the people of cockpit country stand up and decide to make a stance, it's a bad man pose. Them say me have to come down today, you know. Them say me have to come down today. Them don't know say me come over here to de-escalate, but they're escalating it. We are doing what we need to do as leaders in our communities to de-escalate and manage situations. But when we're met with ignorance, arrogance, and total disrespect, it is hard to contain the people, because the people are going to speak for their chief.
Fresh drop.
And the people are going to speak for their rights. So if Superintendent Minto was sent by someone else than who was given that authority to execute the law, right? And I'm not talking some quasi-law, some backbush law. Somebody needs to inform Superintendent Minto about the rights of indigenous people, about the Maroons of cockpit country, about the protection of the so-called forestry zone, that they themselves are assisting persons to take lumber out of Quickstep, right, and profit from it. People in Quickstep don't have no light, they don't have no food, they don't have no water, right? And they come here, right? See them? When you see them, they're lining up. I mean them say them know what they're ready for now. You see them? But they don't know what mistake they're making. Because I'm saying to them, I am here to de-escalate, not escalate. But every day I'm going to take away to find a way to turn me into the criminal. To turn me into the object of an abuse and an oppression. It done. It done. It done. We have been lobbying for conversations and dialogue with this government for so long. A government that does not respect its indigenous people. A government that does not respect human rights. A government that does not give any regard for the people it's supposed to be looking after and saying that we are all Jamaicans. We do not subscribe to chattel behavior and chattel treatment. Maroons are free people, and all we've been seeking is dialogue and understanding. But instead, what we keep facing is agents of the state coming into our territory to oppress our people, and other agents of the state being used to facilitate their wrongdoings and their fraud. So I came over here to bring peace and to help them to escape this problem. And they're now putting me as a person caught in the problem. This is going to be a hard and long one, you know. This is going to be a hard and long one. So we are going to there for as long as we need for there to see what will happen. We bring with Starlink over Quickstep people, them now have no connection. Look how much people there on them phone. See them? Look at the people them. Right? But no, see what them bring coming a Quickstep here. See what them bring coming a Quickstep here. See what them bring coming a Quickstep here. Yeah? This is what it is. Right? This is what it is. We are defending our rights, our indigenous rights. The Maroons of Quickstep need to be respected. What is the forestry department doing with mahogany? A truckload of mahogany been taken out of cockpit country. There's a stamp that should stamp all lumber leaving these forest lands. The police are telling me they don't know that law. There are 2 stamps on this island. Forestry Department has one and the Maroons have one. Let me show it to you. Where's the stamp? Look up here to see the stamp. Let me show you the stamp. Let me say this to you, Jamaica. Let me say this to you. For so long that we've been petitioning and trying to get this government to come to terms to dialogue with a compound. Chief Currie is here standing and fighting for the rights of the Maroons and the people of Cockpit country. And we will not back down, no matter what force or intimidation you bring. We came here to resolve this issue, and we're being made to seem like criminals. We're going to post additional information on this. We're going to post additional information on this. See them here? They're surrounding the bus. This is the bus for the Akompong Maroons, right? Registered in the name of the sovereign state of Akompong, yes, under their government entity, right? And we are here standing to defend the rights of the people, and the superintendent is telling me that I'm going to have to come down. That's not what we're here for. We're here for constructive dialogue. Don't tell me that you don't care about indigenous and you don't care about treaty. It is reflecting in your government that you all don't have any respect for the indigenous people of the island. So you don't need to tell me that, Superintendent Minto. You don't need to tell me that, Superintendent Minto. It is showing your whole disposition. Everything you say and do tells that you have no regard for the people of Cockpit country, Akompong, or any other Maroon districts. So your ignorance to the law is not an excuse to the law, sir. Your ignorance to the law is not an excuse to the law. And the people who you have continuously gone after are those you said who have broken the law. If you have broken the law, so okay.
Fresh drop.
Right? I know. What are we going to do? We're going to come. Let's go. We're not going to create another scene, fans. Watch it. Listen. You see everything you want to say happening also? We're not going to hear more. Remember me telling you that. We're going to stay. Yo. We are going to stay. Yo, lock off that. No, hold on. The connection is up, right? Hold on. Yeah, leave that there. Listen. No, man. We're going to do what is right and right by the people. You see me today? I stand up for my people and I stand up for the rights of Cockpit country. Because we're not going to come and think we can pin for this and thief this and coerce and oppress the people without them knowing them rights and try to create this situation of tension that need not exist. Listen. You know what? Listen. Yo, peace be unto you here. We're there and we're going to hold it. Bless up. Love you now.